How would you like a backyard that you don't have to maintain, you don't have to mow? It's got a play area for the kids, it's got room for the dogs to run around, it's got a barbecue to entertain the friends, and you're in a boutique block of 3 townhouses, low body corporate, minutes from Capalaba. Let me show you around. So as you can see, it's a modern small complex of 3, but what sets this one apart is the location. It's central to schools, PCYC, Capalaba. I'm Lisa, look forward to seeing you at the Open.